The 2013 Genesis. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, heated mirrors, four-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, panic alarm, power driver seat. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.